Last week, me and my grandma went to her eldest sister's place in Nuji near Puttur. We both enjoyed our short journey, exploring the uniqueness of nature throughout the path. I have tried to record some clips and share it with you all. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Namaste friends and welcome back to Ankita Nirpaje's YouTube channel. There is a separate road for vehicles to go, but this is a shortcut walking path for reaching our destination. So wait. I just stopped here to see some wild fruit. Okay, you can eat it. Oh, it's nice. So they call it Gadiyara Hannu in Kannada. The literal translation is clock fruit. Okay, you can eat the seeds also. Some close-up glimpses of this unique fruit. If anybody knows more information about this fruit, please comment down in the comment section below. Let us get some more knowledge about these wild fruits and flowers. Okay, moving on. See, it's a pleasant nature here. Got a mud road here passing by. Okay, there are 3 goats there. See, another wild flower. It looks very nice, very aesthetic. So after passing the mud road, we have to go in this plantation, in the middle of this plantation. While going, my grandma shared her experience of childhood days while walking here. So my grandma had to give her SLC board exam at Puttur. So she had to come to her elder sister's place, and from here they used to go to their center, examination center. So 2 things to notice here. My grandma's eldest sister is almost more than 10 years older than her. She is the 4th in list, my grandmother, and the elder sister was already married. Her name is Lakshmi. She went to only 5th standard, it seems. Then she was dropped out of school. And yeah, my grandma shares her childhood days. So she used to walk and run and jump at these roads, and now she is again visiting. She is regaining all the memories here. So you can see the cocoa fruit in the picture now. So this is their plantation only. So yeah, that is a pump shed there. So they had sprayed the medication, that is potion, the previous day, so it is very fresh even now. So you can see that in the video. Look, the various plants and various wild, this is some of the wild herbs, and we call it Ratha Hogu in Kannada, that red color one. It is in the shape of chariot, right? So my grandma stopped here to say that we used to jump in these steps in our childhood days. And look at me, I have come along with my grandchild now to my sister's house. Like how fast the time passes by. We can see the home from here. We have almost reached there. Hearing our voices, Lakshmi Aji got determined that we have come, and she arrived to welcome us here. Look how cute. Say hi to Lakshmi Aji. Look how happy she is. So rain started drizzling and we went inside the home. Ajji made a cup of tea and plated some jackfruit chips, which I love. Then these sisters chatted and we helped her in the kitchen. We are getting ready for the lunchtime, but I forgot to show the lunchtime video. Lakshmiji made banana paisam. After closing the kitchen work, we all chatted for a while and the sisters shared their experiences, stories and all. Now let the sisters keep talking and we will have a quick look at the surroundings of this house at Noji. So let's see all the plants, trees and garden maintained by Ajji and Ajja. So Ajja's name is Govinda Bhatt and my grandpa is also Govinda Bhatt, that is Savitri Ajji's husband is also Govinda Bhatt. Just a little bit of additional information. in this visit for me to feel special was previous day itself. Lakshmi ji had collected and kept ready all the poems she had written. So she had written some poems in last some years. So she collected all that and she had especially made ready to show it to me. So I read all of them and I really enjoyed it. So after reading, I went to her and said, Aji, your poems are very nice. I enjoyed it. So she made sure I loved her poems twice. Twice after getting confirmed that I was happy. The smile on her face was so nice. It was priceless to watch. So it made me feel special and it gave a whole lot of positive vibe to the journey. Now it's almost evening and time to return home. So grandma is plucking leaves. This is kind of spicy leaf that can be used as a spice in pulao and all. Grandma is plucking some leaves to carry to our homes. While we were getting ready to leave, Varun Deva came and said, "Ruko zara, sabar karo." So we had to wait. It started raining heavily and we had only one umbrella. So we waited and afterwards, at last we took a selfie to remember the visit and yeah, we left. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed the whole vlog and do share your experiences in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.